The return of Sting getting nearer, the arena for dancehall's gladiators drawing on a slate of new talent. Sting promising lyrical fireworks. But is this teenager from rural St. Anne ready for the big stage?
Pablo YG from Sharp Park, as otherwise known as Lime Top, same way, North Coast.
Change the topic, deposit me a talk about.
I'm 18. This is a small community. Me know everybody will live up here. We all live as a family.
My guess and knowledge never sit this in a classroom.
So your mom and dad still alive?
Well, my dad passed away, but my mom still alive. Yes.
What happened to your dad?
Police shoot my dad. Police shoot my daddy 1 week after me and him to fly out. But I don't want to talk about that right now. I just normal pray that been a man. I'm not going to touch that topic there, Anthony. That happened, I don't feel like I did want bother fly out, so I just stay.
You think you made the right decision to stay?
Yeah, because my mood to be a person, because I been want to live the life here, so, and this a life here. This is my dream life, as it. So maybe if I did fly out, I would get to live them dream life, and maybe I would work or I work for somebody right now. Or, you see me, so I guess everything happened for a reason, but as I say louder.
How is your mother reacting to what's happening in your life right now?
Mother react happy. Everybody happy, you see me, because I'm up on the road. You see me, more time I see my mother post me and say I'm proud of me. Them things, I feel happy in myself, same way. You see me, so I'm up on the road.
I wonder if she's a little worried about you though.
Of course, just this morning my mother called me and say my thing about me, what going if I'm good. And I understand, tell her I say I'm good and have a talk and hang up. I just say thing go.
She tell us I'm broke that a few years ago. Me need to safe and now if I no blue face apart.
In high school, I usually listen enough for Skilly Bang and Vibes Cartel, but you see, but I not really. Them make me decide to be a DJ.
My heart full of scars and damage. Get a rocket and shoot away the stars and the planet and the...
I kinda do some hardcore dancehall music right now, but in a new year, you're gonna see one different side of Pablo YG. I do more like trap music, as you pray. Trap have more melody and thing, you see, pray, and me like that sound. To be honest, no gun song, no then I EP when I go drop. I touch it to reach the audience, but I feel like say a time for me give people them one different side right now. So in that, me not go really touch them lyrics there. You have to like sing something like that to get the audience.
You don't think you could get that audience without doing other kinds of songs? It has to be gun songs?
Well, you could get it, but maybe it would have just take a longer period of time, you know.
Wish me could have choose when me chatting, but the ruthless. Killer never lose focus, me never droop it.
I sing everything same way, but I just that tune that I gotta get the highlight because I saw dancehall around right now. And that have a vibe, you see me, I just that the people them a catch on to sound like say I go say if the world I run wrong because I gun tune about see you them I just that have a voice. Gun song come out every day. You see me, murder go on every day, but I no gun song cause that gun song no go murder nobody.
Why down in I place by Juvie alone?
I'm just busy every day. I not really have time for my family and time for myself again, so I just that change.
And Sting is coming up.
Yeah man, our biggest show, me I go dep on.
You're going to go up there and get into a clash vibe.
What you mean man, me dey in a clash vibe from last year, ready for anything.
How does a clash vibe benefit you though? You're a young DJ starting out in the business. You're sure you want to be throwing words at somebody else and getting words thrown at you?
I ain't the idea that a dancehall we can't run from the fact lyrical clash of Sting, you see me, but me nah say and a big talk and hype and boast. You know see up on the posters, cause see versus dep on it, so and like before when the versus never dep on it and me I say alright, me no want to talk about no clash. The versus dep on it and now so a clash. So I like say a big talk. And you see me, I just that I go on and that I go down. Remember say a sting we are going on. You see me? Sting is war. I'm not talking about physical war, but war. Everybody a got sting for war, so that is dancehall. You get a chance in a game, work with it, so.
You sure you want to get into a vibe where it's about, you know, the clashing and the violence
But
and all of this?
Yeah, because in the idea, I don't have nothing to lose, Anthony. I literally don't have nothing to lose.
Dark for no reason, my feelings are protest.
You're 18, you look around at other young people like you. Give me the real picture of your generation.
I think my generation childish. My generation just want to be rich. You see me, so I guess that is it. Them a go feet. Them a find some means and ways for go feet and get rich. So I just that I can say about my generation.
Are you already thinking about the time when you're going to move out of your community?
Well, yeah, but that really tense for me. It's just that I love my community, so that the decision they really hard for me as it.
And you feel safe here?
Sometime paranoid as a human being, but of course I feel safe because I'm a family.
Why would you feel paranoid though?
Because you don't know enemy always out there, enemy people. We are near enemy always look something for do, like evil people always look something for do.
Don't change by nobody but yourself, bro.
What are your hopes and dreams and wishes for the new year?
To be a better me, yes, so them track that we have, I go forward out. The end of year next year, I might be the biggest thing, you know, our biggest thing in our trap. Just I hope and pray for the best, you see it, Anthony.
Feel me keep it when me travel and no proof thing. Life and a movie, more like a teacher. Drama the subject, fame the prefect.